As many of you already know, TollGuru is your go-to app for trip planning. But did you know it also works great for everyday commuters going to work, as well as carpools? Let me show you how it works. Just download and install the free TollGuru app and open it up. Then click on the menu icon in the upper left hand corner. Then go ahead and select Add a Vehicle. Then choose your vehicle from the drop down menu from anywhere from cars, trucks, and SUVs, all the way from buses, trucks, even motorcycles. I'm going to click on cars, trucks, and SUVs at the top. Now here you have to input some information about your vehicles, such as the length, the height, and the weight of the vehicle. This information can be easily found in the vehicle's owner manual or look it up online. Getting the correct specifications for your vehicle is crucial to calculating the exact amount of the fuel cost that you will be spending on your everyday commute. And once it's finished, it'll be added to my saved vehicles. Now with any trip plan, we can easily add the vehicle without having to go through the process again. Now I live here in Houston, Texas, and fairly close to where I work at, but not all of my coworkers are so fortunate. Many of them commute from outlying areas to the city every day for work, traveling at least an hour or more one way. And with recent rise in fuel costs, it has been a challenge for many. But with TollGuru, you'll be able to calculate exactly how much your daily commute will cost you from week to week. So for instance, one of my coworkers who lives in Columbus, Texas, who commutes every day to Houston, Texas, their fuel cost could cost around $10.23 for one way, which is over an hour and 23 minutes. And since you need a job and you have to get to work, then you have no choice but to pay that. But with the TollGuru app, you'll be easily able to calculate your fuel costs and add it to the budget. There's also an option for Carpool if you want to share your costs with coworkers. You can set up just like you had before, only this time you add the number of passengers that's going to be riding with you in the vehicle. And TollGuru is now region free. You should be able to research toll roads and gas prices anywhere in the world, no matter which country you live in. So give TollGuru a try. You shouldn't have to be stressed out about how you're going to get to work. There's nothing to be stressed out once you get there. Download TollGuru Gas Calculator for yourself today on Google Play for free.